Hey!
Hey, I'm Sabrina.
I'm Stephanie.
And we are going to show you a very funny dance called
The mitosis dance.
And it was originated by
Miss Morris.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
For anatomy, she wanted to really help us learn the phases, the cell cycle phases. So we
kind of twisted it a little bit,
yeah,
tweaked it a few times, kind of made it more original, I guess we could say.
Came up with our own dance moves.
We made it our own, yeah.
Yeah, she only did prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. We put interphase and
cytokinesis.
Yeah, in there, so
yeah,
it should be grand.
This is what happens at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
When we're really, really bored.
Really bored.
So, yeah. I guess we could, you want to go through it first?
Yeah, we'll go through it first. Okay.
Alright.
First is interphase. And interphase is a very long process.
So we do it twice.
Yeah, just to let you know. It's longer than all the rest of them, so that pretty much is.
And then there's really nothing in between this. We just really like doing this a lot.
So we had to put it in there somewhere.
It's like a party in your hands.
Party.
Woo.
Oh yeah.
I want spirit fingers, people, when we're doing this. Alright? Spirit fingers.
Yeah. So do it.
Alright, then it's
the really quick part. All four of these are really quick. So we go prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase.
And it's very important when you do anaphase that you get into it. You gotta be like,
yeah,
anaphase.
Anaphase.
And telophase. Ow.
Sorry. And then the last part, which is the fun part, this is where you break it down.
Oh yeah, cytokinesis.
Get excited. New cells.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do this.
So you're gonna do this. And then
slow it down.
It's kinda hot, man. You can do it. You can do it.
I got faith in you.
Yeah. Alright. Even though we don't know who's watching.
Alright. That's kind of creepy, actually.
Anyway.
Put the lotion in the basket.
Lotion on the skin.
Okay, no.
Anyway.
We just stop that on
yeah.
back to anatomy. So, yeah, alright.
Alright, so we're ready to get started.
Now,
hope you can keep up and just try to dance along with us. We're going to do it like 4 or 5 times. Hopefully we won't mess up this time.
Yeah, we will.
Hope
you're ready for this, but you're probably not.
No, you're not.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now freeze it up. You only get one phase of freeze up. Sorry. Ours is so much funner anyway. See, we're pros at it now. We've done this like 4 times. But you did it somewhere actually.
One more!
Alright, we'll do it one more time. Interphase. Nothing. At the end there. Okay, so we're going to do this again. Yeah. Try to make this as entertaining as possible, because one of them was really lame. Alright, let's go. Interphase. Yeah. Nothing. Prophase. Metaphase. Anaphase. Telophase. Get into it. Get other things. Alright, so Toasted Chance. And the song is Liquor Make a Liar by Hand-Me-Down Kids. Yeah. So we're totally resting you, by the way.
We are.
Yeah. So call us. You can do it. Don't call us, actually. But if you want to call us, then call free. Not really. If you're in there, with the
I know you're drunk 'cause you tell me that